Hello everyone. Let's start our lesson number 4, Data Handling Part 2. Here we will discuss about operators. Python language has numerous types of operator. Before discussing about operators, let's revise once what is an operator, which we have already discussed in our lesson number 1. Operator is a token. So, it is a symbol which acts upon operands. What are the operands? These are the literals, variables or expression. Whatever the operations or actions being carried out in Python language, that is based on operators like your addition, comparison, multiplication. These are all using operators, different types of operators. Let's learn one by one. In the broad sense, these operators is of two types. One is unary, other one is binary. That is based on the operands. When the operator acts upon one operand, then it is unary. When it acts upon two operands, that is binary. Here in this slide, we are just checking unary operator. Then the rest are binary operators. What are those? Arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operator, bitwise operator, membership operator. Let's do one by one. Okay. So, next one is our unary operators. Unary operator, as I told you, it acts upon only one operand. Okay. It is of two types. One is plus and minus. Unary plus, unary minus. Okay, so a equal to 2. A is here, is the operand. So if you write plus a, plus is the operator, a is the operand. So what is your a value? 2. So that means it is plus 2 or 2. If you write plus a and the a value is minus 2, in this case operand is a but the value is minus 2. Whenever you write plus a, that will become minus 2. Okay, now come to unary minus. Here also only one operand, that is a, whose value is 2. So if you write minus a, so minus a means it will become, a will replace by 2. So it will become minus 2. Now next one, a value is minus 2. Now the operand is minus 2. So a value will replace by minus 2. So minus 2 will become plus 2. Okay, these are the unary operator which act upon only one operand. Okay, that is plus and minus. Let's do the next one, binary operators. Among the binary operators, the arithmetic operator is the most important operators. Okay, so whatever the expression represented by the arithmetic operator, that is called arithmetic expression. Okay, let's learn one by one. Plus, minus, multiplication, division, floor division, percentage sign, that is your modulus operator, to asterisk sign, that is exponentiation or power. Okay, addition, that means we will add two numbers. Here two operands, a and b. A value is 15, b value is 2. So 15 plus 2 is 17. Next one is subtraction, that is your minus sign. 15 minus 2, that is 13. Again, a into b, 15 into 2, 30. A divided by b, that is your 15 divided by 2, then it is 7.5. Okay, so remember when you use the division, that is your backslash symbol, that is your division returns the float value. Okay, a double slash is b, that is your float division. That is 7.0. What's the difference between division and float division? Division, it will return the fractional value 7.5, whereas the float division, it will truncate the fractional value. What is your fractional value? 0.5. We will remove, that will truncate it. So 7.0. Modulus means it will return the remainder. A modulus b, 15 modulus 2 is 1. So if you divide 15 by 2, what is the remainder? 1. So modulus operator returns the remainder. So exponentiation means to the power. Okay, so a double asterisk 2, that means a exponentiation 2. So 15 exponentiation 2 is 225. Okay, so plus is addition, minus is subtraction, asterisk is multiplication, then slash is division, double slash is floor division where we truncate the fractional value, percentage sign is the modulus which will return the remainder, then 2 asterisks, that is the exponentiation. Okay, in this case we have to check the hierarchy. So what is the hierarchy? Which operator will perform first? Okay, the highest in arithmetic is the parenthesis. Highest among all the operators, the top priority is the parenthesis. Okay, so among the arithmetic operator, highest priority is exponentiation. Then next level of precedence is hierarchy level is asterisk, slash, floor division, modulus. They are in the same level of hierarchy. Then plus and minus also the next level of lowest level among the arithmetic operator. Okay, hierarchy. So what is associativity? Suppose any expression have multiple arithmetic operator, which one will be performed first? That is your hierarchy. Associativity is what? Suppose if plus and minus, these are the same level of residency, then if in expression both plus and minus are there, which one will perform first? Which order we will follow? That is called associativity. Associativity is the order in which an expression evaluated. Either it is left to right or right to left. In this case, it is left to right except exponentiation. That means if any arithmetic expression twice exponentiation is there, so we have to move from right to left. Okay, if it is plus and minus both are there, so we have to move left to right. Okay, now let's solve some arithmetic expression. Okay, we are solving here three expression. The first one, just see, a plus b into 2 minus 1. So a plus b into 2 minus 1. So which one is the higher priority here? Multiplication. So which one we will perform first? B into 2. Let's replace the value with the variable. A value is 5, b value is 7, then into, then minus. So which one will solve first? 7 multiplied by 2. So 7 into 2, that is 14. Now just see, plus and minus both have same precedence. So which one will perform first? So from left to right, whichever comes first. Okay, so plus, so 5 plus 14, so 19. 19 minus 1, it is 18. Let's move to the second one. A minus b modulus 2 into 4 plus 1. So a is 5 minus b modulus 2 means 7 modulus 2 into 4 plus 1. Okay, just look at here. This is two level of precedence here. One is your modulus and the multiplication sign. Second one is minus and plus. So 5 minus 7 modulus 2 into 4 plus 1. So among the modulus and into, which one will perform first? Whichever comes first from the left side. So which one is the modulus? So 7 modulus 2 is 1. That means the remainder is 1. 1 into 4 plus 1. So 4 minus plus 1. So that means it is saying in between 1 into 4 we are multiplying. Okay, so after the first step, when you move to the second step, in second step what we have written? 5 minus 1 into 4 plus 1. So we have to multiply 1 into 4 first, because it is higher than the minus and plus. So 1 into 4 is 4. So 5 minus 4 plus 1, which one will perform first? Minus, because it is from the left side, that is the first one. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now come to the third one. A into b minus 2 divided by 3. Now look at here, which one is the higher priority? As I told you, parenthesis is the highest priority. So we have to operation is subtraction first. Okay, so now B value is 7. So 7 minus 2 will be evaluated first. So 7 minus 2, that is 5. So next one is your multiplication and division, these two operators. So it will be from left to right. So 5 into 5, that is your 25, divided by 3. So it will become 8.33. Okay, so these are the examples based on the arithmetic operators. Okay, let's move the second operator, that is your relational operator. Okay, relational operator is also binary operator. Here is what we will compare two operands. Okay, what are those? Greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, equality, not equal to. Okay, so A greater than B. And one more thing, this relational operator returns true or false value. When any expression having relational operator, that is called relational expression. What is expression? Is the combination of literal, variable and operator. Literal or variable and operator. Okay, so A greater than B. So A and B are the operands and greater than sign is the operator. It forms the relational expression. The other name of the relational expression is the condition. You will learn in the next chapter, next lesson. Okay, so A greater than B means 5 greater than C, it is false. Then less than, we are comparing both. This is also false because A is greater than B. So now next one is A is greater than equal to 6, greater than or equal to. Now just see, A value is 5, B value is 6. Greater than, equal to? No, A is less than 6. Now A is less than, equal to B. Yes, less than or equal to. Yes, it is less than B. So it is returns true. A is equal to B. No, it is false. A is not equal to B. So it is true. Yes, it is true. Now hierarchy, all the operators are having same label. Okay, even here associativity is left to right. Okay, next one is your logical operators. Logical operators is what? It is the combination of relational expression. It's combined two relational expression. Okay, that is, these are the three types: and, or, not. Okay, now just see, this is the truth table, and value is true when, only when the in two outputs, the outputs of the relational expressions are true. Okay, then it is true. Otherwise this is false. In case of or, it is only false when the expressions are false. Otherwise it is true. If one expression is true means the output is true. Okay, and in case of and, if all are true, then only true. If one expression is false, then it will be false. And not operator, what? It just complement. If it is true, then it is false. If it is false, then it becomes true. Let's take the example. A value is 15, B value is 6, and this is a logical operator, also binary operator. We already discussed. So here two operands, here two operands are the two relational expression. Remember this. Two relational expression. Now A is greater than B, one relational expression. B is greater than 10, this is also another relational expression. Now just see, 15 is greater than 6 and 6 is greater than 10. Okay, in this case, which one we will execute first? First is your relational expression. So 15 greater than 6, it is true, and 6 is greater than 10, it is false. So true and false is false. As I told you, in case of and, 1 is false means the output is false. Okay, now move to the next expression. 15 is greater than 6, it is true, or 15 is not equal to 6, it is also true. So true or true is true. In case of true or operator, what will happen? The output is false only when all the inputs are false. Okay, now in case of not is what? It is complemented. So not 15 greater than 6. So 15 greater than 6 is true. Since it is true, so not true is false. Okay, now among this, the hierarchy, which one is the highest priority? That is your not, then and, then are. Okay, first is not and or. So associative it is left to right. Okay, now let's evaluate two expression. Now just see, A is greater than B and not A is less than C or B not equal to C. In this case, one expression is your relation expression A greater than B. It is true because 10 value is greater than 7. First we have to solve relational expression. Now within the bracket A is less than equal to C. A value is 10 and C value is 3. No, it is false. Then B is not equal to C. It is true. Okay. So now we have solved relational expression. Now move to logical expression. In logical expression, as I told you, which one is the first? Not. So not F will be evaluated first. So not F means it is true. So true and true is true. Okay. True or true is true. The output is true. Okay. Now next is question number 2. So A is less than C or A is equal to B and not A is less than B. So A is less than equal to C. That means A is less than or equal to C. No, it is false. So A is equal to B. No, it is false. And not A is less than B. It is false. Okay. Now we have solved the relational expression. Now F or F and true and T. Before that, not F because first we have to do not F, then the output is true, not F is true. So now or and here is or and which one will evaluate first? The and only. So F or A false and true. False and true means it is false. Actually it is false. Okay, false or false, the output is false. Okay, here there's a mistake out here. False and false. Okay, not F is true, but first it will be false. Not F is true. So false and true, it is false. So false or false is false. You can try at this one in the interactive mode of Python. Okay, this expression, the output is false. It is a typing error. Okay, now move to the next lesson. Identity operator. This operator, also binary operator, it takes two operands. Let's take the variables A, B, C. A value is 5, B value is 6, C value is 5. Here we are comparing two operand A and B, which are the integers. A value is 5 and B value is 6. And here in identity operator, there are two operators are there, is and is not. Is more or less similar to equal to relational operator. Is not is more or less similar to not equal to. So we are checking A is B. That means A value is 5 and B value is 6. 5 is 6. It is false. It returns true or false, just like your relational expression. A is C, so 6 is C. Yes, it is true. Now is not A is not B. 5 is not 6. It is true. A is not C. 5 is not 5. It is false. Okay. Now just see, we will compare the equal to and the is operator. Equal to operator checks the equality for the value of both the operands, whereas is operator checks whether both refers to same memory location or not. As we learned in the previous location, the values are stored in the different memory locations and the variable refers to that. Okay, so this equal to and is operator in Python language, in some cases it does not give the equal result, specifically if the integer having long values, a floating point number and string. In those cases it does not function properly. Okay, we can check in the Python platform. Okay, let's write here. Suppose we will enter the x value as 2.5. Okay, and y value we will input float, input, enter value. Okay, so So we'll enter 2.5. We'll check x equal to y. It will give true. Okay. Now if I write x is y, returns false. What it proves? If this x and y, they are comparing the values, but if you give the identity operator, it will check the memory location. Okay, so even it will not give the same output in case of floating point, but integer small number, it will give the same result. If you write a equal to 5, let's try, and b equal to int input a single, the small digits, small number, it will work. It will give the same. Enter value. Okay, if you enter 5 and you are giving a equal to 5, sorry, a equal to b, so it returns true. If I write a is b, then it will also give true. Okay, if it is for the small integer, with the long integer, it will not work. In string also, even it will not work. Okay, you can try in computer that. Okay, now the rest of the operators we will continue in the next lesson. What are those? Bitwise operator, membership operator, assignment operators. Then we will also learn operator precedence, evaluation of the expression. Okay, we will stop here.